So over here, you can see that the theme that you have for AnyDesk is a light mode right here. So all the UI interface that you see is light. But if you want to go ahead and change it to dark, let's say for example, you can go around over here onto the hamburger icon and then go to settings right here. Then you can see that there's theme, and right now it's set to use system settings, so it's bright. So if I were to go around over here and select light mode and restart AnyDesk, nothing actually changes because this is already light mode. But if I were to go around over here onto dark mode and click on restart AnyDesk, then what happens is that everything becomes dark now, as you can see, just like this. This is quite good for power saving as well. So now you can see that wherever I go right here, and let's say for example, I'll go on to any of the settings, you can see the dark mode right here. If you want to go ahead and change it to light mode again, you can go around over here onto general, then you can go around over here onto theme, and then choose light mode and restart out AnyDesk just like this as well. So that is how you can go ahead and then work around with the theme setting inside of AnyDesk. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe